Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Horilla. Today, let's discuss about the optional candidate attachment functionality in Horilla. So the optional candidate attachment is designed to streamline the recruitment process by offering flexibility in managing candidate documents. So the recruiters can decide whether to collect attachments like the resume and all during the candidate's application process. So let's go to the recruitment and to the recruitment pipeline. So over here, we'll be able to find different recruitments that are currently going on in the company. That is like a recruitment drive and future force recruitment. So when a candidate is being added to a recruitment stage, and if we have set the optional attachment toggle as off, the attachment fields like a resume and profile picture will be a required field. So let's see how we can manage that. So let's go to the configuration of this recruitment drive by going to the actions and edit. That is, if the admins want to make any edits to the already created recruitments, he'll be able to do that from here. So when we scroll down, we'll be able to find the optional profile image and optional resume toggle. So over here, we have kept these toggled off. So now let's try to add a candidate. So let's click on add candidate and I'm adding the name for the candidate as let's say Grace. Sorry. And we have to provide a mail ID. And then I'm adding a phone and we have to set the gender and the stage is initial and I've set the job position as Odoo developer. Now when we try to save that, since the profile field is a required field, we can see that we have to select a file. So let's select a file for that. And now when we try to save that, we can see that the resume field is also a required field. So let's add a resume as well. And now when we try to save it, okay, so now when we try to save it, we can see that the candidate has been added. So we'll be able to view the candidate over here. And now let's go to the actions and edit and let's on this toggle. So we have on the toggle for optional profile image and optional resume. And now let's save that. And to add a candidate, let's click on add candidate and I'm adding a candidate. And the mail ID for the candidate, and we can also provide a phone number, gender, stage, and job position. And here we have not provided or added the profile picture and resume. And now when we try to save that, sorry, and when we try to save that, we can see that the candidate is added without uploading the profile image and the resume, since we have kept the optional attachment as on. So this is how we'll be able to manage the optional candidate attachment functionality in Horilla. So hope it is clear and thank you for watching.